Hi everyone! So today's video is going to be special with my little guest. As you can see from the title of this video, we are going to film what we eat in a day with my little toddler. So this is Vanessa, my baby daughter, and yeah, she's actually kissing her favorite toy. And she's turning 2 in July. So she's a toddler, and lately she's been quite picky with her food. She's also teething. She has 4 teeth coming. So as I said before, she has 4 teeth coming up, and so she's really picky. Sometimes she will eat just pancakes and yogurts and things like that, but lately she's been a little bit better with her food, and she's been eating a little bit more and being a little bit less picky. So I'm going to film a video what we eat in a day, our favorite snacks, drinks, whatever. She still drinks her milk in the morning, then usually before the nap time in the afternoon, and then before she goes to bed in the evening. But she actually drinks a regular milk. We basically transferred from formula milk after she was 1 year old, and so yeah, I'm going to show you also her favorite snacks. If you are struggling and want more inspiration for your baby, so yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe to my channel to see more. Good morning. So it's time for breakfast, and I'm usually not really hungry in the morning, so I'll just grab a yogurt. This one is a Greek one with lemon and lime, and it has lots of protein, which is just amazing, and low fat. So yeah, this is my breakfast, and I'm also about to have a coffee and white coffee, which I love at the moment. For drinks, we actually do drink the most the fruit tea. This one is actually plum and raspberry, and Vanessa also loves this baby fennel, which is from Tikani. The fruity one are from Leros, and I'm drinking tea as well, and also lemon with water. So that's our go-to drinks. So for my white coffee, I will do this Caro, which is actually a cereal drink, like instant drink, and I already have hot milk in this mug, and we'll just simply add 2 teaspoons and mix it. As for Vanessa's breakfast, she will have a milk. She's actually having a regular one, and she will have 240 milliliters, and then she will most likely snack on some little snacks, fruity snacks, some banana, fruit, depends on what she wants. So it's warm already and ready for her to drink. She's actually having this Nuke bottle, which she has for a long time, and she actually loves it. So for a snack time, we're going to have a toast, which was baked a little bit in the toaster, and peanut butter, which is this one actually. So for a lunch, I'm going to make my favorite spaghetti, and this Italian sauce. This one is actually Siciliana, and it's with eggplant and cheese. Super yummy. So it's a snack time, and I'm going to prepare a smoothie. This one is with strawberry, and I'm going to add just a regular milk and mix it together, and then it will be ready to go. So as Vanessa is napping, I'm just about to prepare a dinner, and this time it's gonna be one of my favorites, which is baked potatoes with herbs and olive oil. And I just love this food. I love pasta and potatoes the most. So yeah, I'm gonna prepare that. It's actually super easy. All you need is just potatoes. You basically just wash it and cut it into little slices, and season it with herbs and olive oil, salt, pepper, and that's pretty much all. And it's baked in the oven for about like 45 minutes, which I just love. It's really easy, and I love the crunch. I actually do like it with some sauce, basically mostly with like samurai, French dressing, American dressing, anything like with pepper and tomatoes. So yeah, I'm gonna just prepare that. Pas de soleil, 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 So those are some of the favorite snacks for Vanessa. These are actually fruity little snacks, and there's actually apple and mango, apple and banana, apple and cherry, and we have actually more of it. These two are Baby Love, and the other one is DMBO, but they are all from the DM drugstore. This right here. And she actually loves it so much. It's even healthy and easy for her to grab because it's in a little paper that you can eat, and she just loves it. Then another one, this is actually a soft little cake with a chocolate inside, and obviously it's not on a healthy side, but she loves it, and sometimes I will give it to her. Don't really know if you have it in your country or if you had something similar, but she actually loves it. Then these Elle's milk pretzels. She loves it so much. It's actually plain, and it's basically something we take on all of our trips lately. She loves it. It's actually soft, it's plain, easy for her to eat, and it will fill her up. She just loves it. It's actually a little bit sweet, but not that much. And I believe if you live somewhere nearby Austria or Germany, you can buy it as well. But we have it in the Czech Republic as well. So, but it's just super, super yummy. So this is another of her favorites. This one is actually with vanilla, and we also have some strawberry, apricot, pineapple, some plain ones. She actually loves it. It's really easy for babies to grab and eat by themselves. Then another fruity snack. This one is actually lyophilist, and this one is pineapple, but she loves even some strawberries, raspberries, mango, banana. It's just super yummy. So another fruity snack, it's actually a little smoothie for kids, and this one is watermelon, banana, and apple. We have a few different brands, and lately she's been quite picky with it, but she used to love it so much. So I basically just store it in case she will want to eat it again. Also, these veggie straws, they actually do have a cheese one as well, but Vanessa isn't really a big fan of cheese, so I basically just picked veggie ones, and she loves it. It's like a little French fries, but really crispy. And also she eats fresh fruit. At the moment she's been picky with that as well, and she basically eats banana and apples. She used to love probably every single kind of fruit, but at the moment she's just picky. And basically she won't really eat strawberries in a fresh version, but she loves smoothie from that, and she also loves like banana smoothie, raspberry, blueberry, basically any kind, and yogurts as well. Her favorites one are creamy, and the favorite flavor is vanilla, and then chocolate and strawberry. I also wanted to mention that sometimes she will basically just eat at cheap Lays, or when she's running around and won't really want to sit in a high chair, or she will eat basically just on a couch. but it's probably another toddler thing.